Milkshakes are a classic American frosty treat, a creamy combination of ice cream and milk. They are served at diners and dairy shops, including fast food favorites. The ingredients is 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, 8 Oreo cookies or other chocolate sandwich cookies, 1 tablespoon chocolate sauce, and 2 Oreo cookies for garnish. For the start, place the vanilla ice cream, milk, 8 Oreo cookies, and the chocolate sauce in a blender and puree until it's smooth. Then, crush the remaining 2 Oreo cookies for the garnish. After that, pour the milkshake into tall glass and top it with the crushed Oreo cookies crumb. Finally, garnish it with a straw.